As we all know, transferring files between iPhone and Mac is very easy. But if you have an Android phone and want to sync photos to your Mac, how to do it? Keep watching to get 3 efficient tips. In the first method, we will show you how to transfer photos from Android to Mac using Image Capture. First, launch Image Capture on your Mac and connect your Android phone. In the USB option, please check Transfer Photos. Then, your photos will be listed here. Select photos you want to transfer and choose folder you want to import to at the bottom. Next, click Import. Now, let's check them on Photos app. The photos are saved in the Imports folder in Library. In the second method, we will show you how to transfer photos from Android to Mac using Android File Transfer. First, you need to download Android File Transfer app on your Mac. Then, launch it and connect your Android phone. Find DCIM folder and click Camera. Your photos are here. Next, launch Photos app on your Mac and drag photos from Camera folder into it. In the last method, we will show you how to transfer photos from Android to Mac in one click. Run iMobi Droid Kit on your Mac and choose Data Manager feature. Connect your phone to Mac via USB cable and allow USB debugging on your phone. When the connection succeeded, choose Photos. Next, select photos you want to transfer and click Download icon on the top right corner. Notes: you can change the export path here as you want. When transfer is complete, click View Files to check if photos are transferred successfully. That's all methods. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.